Hey guys, welcome back. In case you forgot, it's Erica. I know it's been 3 weeks. I wish I could say that I was vacationing somewhere warm and beautiful because now that all the leaves are gone, it's not so beautiful here in New England and it's definitely not warm. Although I am in a t-shirt. I've got the heat cranked today. I'm living large. So I suppose maybe you're curious or maybe not, but I'll tell you what I've been up to. So for the last 2 weeks, I have been extremely busy, and I must say last night was the first night that I slept like a baby. Finally, I just slept and it was glorious. So what I've been doing, I decided to jump into the wild world of independent teaching. And this is something I'd thought about. This is something I'd been approached about, but I just never thought it was possible. I had a student that left EricaKid, maybe now it's been about a year, left about a year ago, and the mom at that time had said, hey, are you teaching for any other companies? And I thought, maybe I could teach them independently, but I decided not to. Things were going great at EricaKid. I was booked. I was pretty happy with my pay. And then things changed. And so right around that time that we got the notice that things would be ending, I ended up contacting this parent and I said, hey, I'm thinking about teaching on Italki, because by this time I'd gotten accepted by Italki, and I thought that was going to be my solution because I was really, I don't want to deal with international payments. I don't want to deal with the scheduling and all that stuff. I thought Italki, hey, that's a great way. I can set my own prices. But then I ran into a couple of problems there. I knew about the 15% commission, but you just don't have as much freedom in discounting packages, or there's a little bit of your price can't go below a certain thing. And there's a lot there. And I just thought to myself, I wonder if I could do this. And then Tim Gascoigne of an online teacher dude had some kind of live stream and gave us kind of a way forward, hey, listen, you can do this. And he gave this really great, it was free. It was just a free live stream thing that he did. And he laid out this whole plan. And it was the first time that I felt maybe I could do this. And a lot of the teachers that were on there were just really positive and wow, a lot of people think they can do this, maybe I could do this. And so he offered a course and he was offering promotional pricing, and it totally worked. I jumped on it because he said the course would be going up, I think only by $10. But I thought, listen, this is not a lot of money to spend. Spent more money at Sephora or whatever, go on Amazon. You would have spent about this much money in one shopping trip easily. So anyway, I signed up for the course and I thought, listen, even if I don't take any of the action steps, it was still worth it. But I was shocked. So 10 days in, I think on Veterans Day of all days, I was chatting with a parent. I'd kind of been going through the course and I wasn't planning on even offering a package or anything, but I had a lot of things in place. And so when she said, well, hey, how do we start? I was able to send her my pricing, a contract. I already had payment on Stripe set up because I'd just been walking through all the steps. It was incredible. And like I said, 10, 11 days into the course, I had sold my first lesson package. And it just it stopped my heart. I just sat there staring at my Stripe account saying, oh my gosh, are there really a couple $100 in the account? Somebody really thinks I can do this. Even before I think I believed I could do it. It was really touching that this parent thought I could. So much happened to make that happen. But it was incredible. I'm kind of a lone wolf, a lot of you probably are, us former platform teachers. I like being my own boss. I can do this on my own. I don't need anybody else around me, but that's totally not true. You definitely need some people, good people. We can find community, but sometimes it's toxic community, hello, Facebook groups, the hutong at times. But anyway, I found this great community, like-minded people who were all doing the same thing. And we were all kind of scared out of our minds about certain things together and just feeling kind of clumsy and unprofessional at times and wondering if this is going to work, but we just kept pushing each other to keep going and keep going. And Tim was awesome and just kind of being our coach. Well, not kind of, he was just coaching us and just hearing him say over and over again, you are exactly where you need to be. Just keep making forward progress. That's not exactly what he said. I'm misquoting him, but that's generally what he was telling us to do. And it was awesome. And so if you're interested, tomorrow he's inviting a couple teachers from the course to his live stream. I'm going to drop the link to that below. And then also he's going to be launching his course. He's going to be doing this again, I think, in December. I don't have the exact dates. Maybe I'll make another video when he does that because I am so grateful. So grateful. This isn't a sponsored video or anything. I just got so much out of it. And I know I've talked to a lot of you about this, about the whole idea of going, starting some kind of independent online teaching business. I didn't think it was possible, and maybe some of you didn't think it was possible either, but I'm telling you, like, I am not a superstar, not any kind of superstar. I would vote myself least likely to do this, but I did it. So anyway, I hope to see you guys tomorrow on Tim's live stream, and then, I don't know, leave a comment below. Are you guys thinking about going independent? If you're not going independent, you can leave a comment about that, but let's get some momentum going here. If you're even thinking about doing this, go to his live stream tomorrow and then make a decision, but don't wait too long. Seriously, this was a great thing. The course didn't cost that much, and I got so much out of it, so much more than I thought I would. So I hope you guys are having a great weekday. I don't know, what day is it today? I think it's Sunday when I'm filming this. But anyway, have a great day. Good to see you again, and I'm going to try to be a little more, I don't even have my words. I'm going to be trying to put some videos on here on a more regular basis as I start my online teaching business. I actually have my very first student. His package starts tomorrow. So first class, the first package, completely free of any platform. Hallelujah. All right. Have a great day, guys. Bye.